Namaste. Everything around you is mathematics, everything around you is numbers. What is mathematics? It is only as a systematic effort of solving puzzles posed by nature. Be a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a doctor or an engineer or a musician or a magician. Everyone needs mathematics in their day to day life. So, without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Math is one of the basic sciences of life. It can be said that first thing a person learns apart from reading and writing is how to add or subtract. In other words, we can say that mathematics is cradle of all creations without which the world cannot move. Mathematics is in nature like a patterns in honeycomb, sunflower, black holes when we observe. Everything in universe is with the mathematical explanation itself. Therefore, to raise awareness among people about the importance of mathematics, every year of 22nd December is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Every year on 22nd December, we Indians celebrate the day as National Mathematics Day to mark Srinivasan Ramanujan's birth anniversary across the nation, who was the great mathematical genius who is also known as the man who knew infinity. He did not receive any formal education in mathematics but made important contributions to the field of mathematics. He made in depth analysis in order to solve mathematical problems using new ideas and concepts. In 2012, then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh declared 22nd December as National Mathematics Day on Feb 26, 2012, when he had visited the Madras University in order to pay tribute to Ramanujan's achievements. The basic aim of celebrating such a day was to foster scientific temperament among the youth and encourage them to take baby steps in the world of mathematics and explore its applications in spheres of economics, sciences, and other disciplines. Thank you.
Namaste. I am Srinivas Ramanujan. I was born on 22nd December 1887 at Erode in Tamil Nadu. During my schooling, I had no interest in any subjects except for maths. I somehow scraped a pass in my 10th and left for the Pachayappa's college for my Fellow of Arts degree. But as I was interested only in mathematics, I failed the other subjects. Thus, without a degree, I left college and continued independent study on maths, living in extreme poverty and starvation as my parents could not afford my higher studies. I had no paper to work on, so I went to the local temple and used to write my theorems on the floor. But when in 1910, I met the founder of the Indian Mathematical Society, Mr. V. Ramaswamy Iyer, and that is when my life changed. I began to get recognition within Madras's mathematical circles. I was soon given the post of a researcher at the University of Madras. But my fellow mathematicians could not understand my work as it was too novel and complicated. So I started a postal communication with an English mathematician, G.H. Hardy, Mr. G.H. Hardy, who was living at the Cambridge University of Cambridge, England. He was so impressed with my works that he arranged for my travel to Cambridge. I spent 6 years in Cambridge, where I worked on my theorems, thanks to Hardy and the other mathematicians. In all, I compiled more than 3,900 equations and statements, few of which are the Ramanujan prime, Ramanujan theta, and the Mach theta. My work has been researched for many years and all my formulae have been proven correct. Many stamps with my picture have been issued by the Government of India, and 22nd December was declared as National Mathematics Day by our ex-Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh in the year 2011. Thank you.